Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the exact sources you'll use and why each matters. A laptop mic versus USB condenser changes settings. Once done, update drivers and firmware to avoid conflicts, and plug adapters now so ports are recognized. You should open the sound control panel and note available inputs and outputs. This gives context for routing. Make sure levels are low initially to prevent clipping. From here, you're ready to route audio into the system. Now route audio, choose the device for input and the desired output. You'll want to test and watch levels while speaking. Set gain so peaks sit around -12 to -6 dB to preserve headroom. Once set, apply any EQ or compression carefully because these alter perceived loudness. Make sure to check sample rate and bit depth match between apps to avoid clicks. If using USB devices, try different ports to reduce latency. Save a preset so you finish by confirming sample rate and bit depth are consistent across all devices to prevent sync issues. This stabilizes quality. You'll run a final test recording and play it back on the speakers or headphones your audience will use, listening for noise, clipping, or delay. If something's wrong, check cables and connections, reinstall or update drivers, and restart the affected app or device. Often this clears routing conflicts. One key tip: toggling the device off and on or switching USB ports usually resolves phantom audio dropouts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.